Hello and welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. Let's take a quick look at top to bottom metal roofing and the information available to consumers through Safe and Trusted Canada. So as with all listings in Safe and Trusted, a business name can be searched by the last four digits of a phone number. The last four digits for top to bottom metal roofing is 1353. Search. Top to bottom metal roofing turns up. Of course, business name. Do we even have to put all of it? Top to bottom metal roofing turns up. If I was to look for categories, top to bottom metal roofing turns up. When we look at the content for top to bottom metal roofing and siding, you'll see their last Better Business Bureau report, everything about them, their business detail, who their ideal client is, what makes them different, their affiliations, their business credentials, their contractor credentials, their business categories, their regions, and any YouTube videos that would relate to their business. Because they have a professional account with Safe and Trusted Canada, it makes it even easier for businesses and consumers to find this particular business. All they have to do is simply go to the trade area, look for businesses by province, look for businesses in Saskatchewan. All our professional accounts are now featured listings. So if we were to go to farm building, as an example, construction, top to bottom metal roofing and siding will turn up. In addition to the 20 cities and towns that they're allowed to automatically have with their professional account, they also have up to 3 trade areas. So as an example, because the business is in Cutknife, it'll be in the Lloydminster trade area. And again, you will see that they turn up. Top to bottom. The business is close to Alberta, and as a result, because they have a professional account, they can also place their business in Alberta. Again, if we go to featured listings, they show up. And of course, because Lloydminster is also in Alberta, they're in the Lloydminster trade area for Alberta. And again, they show up. Thank you for listening to this video and have a great day.